English legal shorthand dictation 100 words per minute. Ready? Start. Judgment. Para. Rule made returnable forthwith. The respondents waive service taken up for disposal. Para. This case of a visually impaired candidate illustrates how administrative apathy can defeat the benefits of the legislation enacted to support the persons with disabilities. Para. A notification 1 of 2019 was issued by the Respondent Recruitment Board inviting online registration of applications from suitable candidates on 23rd February 2019 for various posts, including the post of assistant in level 1 in capital D grade. The petitioner, being 100% permanently visually impaired, applied for the position of assistant under the persons with benchmark disabilities category, specifying her disability as visual impairment blind in bracket capital B. The petitioner provided a disability certificate dated 1st January 2019 issued by the medical authority, Parbhani, certifying her as 100% permanently visually impaired. To fill out the application form, the petitioner sought assistance from a person at an internet cafe. However, during this process, the petitioner's date of birth was erroneously entered as 10 January 1992, instead of the correct date 10 January 1993. The examination was scheduled for 2nd March 2021, and the petitioner received the hall ticket /e-call letter. Successfully passing the examination, the petitioner was subsequently received a call letter for document verification and medical verification. Document verification for the petitioner was conducted on 17th February 2023. Following discussions with the office bearers of respondent number 2, Railway Recruitment Cell regarding the incorrect date of birth, the petitioner was informed that she could later modify the date of birth and submit the updated Aadhaar card. The petitioner was called for supplementary document verification on 3rd April 2023 via an email dated 28 March 2023. Meanwhile, the petitioner had obtained the updated Aadhaar card with the correct date of birth. However, when attempting to submit the updated Aadhaar card during supplementary document verification, it was refused. The petitioner made a representation to the chairperson of the Railway Recruitment Cell on 27 June 2023, wherein the petitioner stated that she is 100% blind and she has passed the examination, and that when the petitioner had gone for document verification, she informed that her candidature was rejected and sought information regarding the same. From the respondent, there was no communication to the petitioner as to the reason for a rejection. Consequently, The petitioner has approached this court through the present petition, seeking a direction to set aside the oral rejection of her candidature and requesting that respondent number 2, Railway Recruitment Cell, be directed to consider her candidature for the post of assistant. The petitioner sought an interim direction to respondent number 2, Railway Recruitment Cell, to keep one post vacant for the position of assistant. Para. The writ petition came up for hearing on 31st August 2023. Notice was issued to the respondents for final disposal. The division bench directed that, in the meanwhile, one post of assistant should be kept vacant if it has not been filled up until the next date.